Hi, class 7. Great to see you. And I hope you guys have had fun. I hope, Ankish, you have enjoyed your birthday, celebrated well. And I hope you have. I was not able to post the video in time for you, but I have posted it earlier. And it's a belated message. I'm so sorry, but we couldn't get anything working out. So I'm wishing you again here happy birthday, Ankish. I hope you have had a great time. God bless you, and you study hard, and you get all the blessings so that you can go move forward in life, and sky should be the limit for you. Okay, Ankish, best of the luck. Okay, guys, so we were here at the accounts of travelers. We were reading about the accounts of travelers. Of the historians rely on writings of foreign travelers for a fair and unbiased account of king's reign. We were here. Historians often compare them, the accounts written by quote historians. Al-Baruni, who visited India with Muhammad of Ghazni in the 11th century CE, wrote extensively about Indian people in his book Tahqiq-e-Hind. Some well-known foreign travelers who visited India during the medieval period were Ibn Battuta of Morocco, Niccolo Conti of Italy, Abdur Razak of Persia, and Athanasius Nikitin of Russia. So we had known about the memoirs and autobiographies of the Babarnama and the Padshahnamas. So now the accounts of travelers. So many foreign travelers who came over to India during that era or during that time around this 11th century CE of the common era, the 11th century they came in, and they wrote books about all these people who they met at the courts where they stayed, the places where they stayed, and the famous ones of these books are Tahqiq-e-Hind, and one was of Ibn Battuta and Niccolo Conti, Abdur Razak. So these are the few people who have written a lot about the history of our Indian culture. The European travelers came to India from the 16th century era, that's the common era, onwards, have left a mine of information for us. What's a mine? Mine is a huge, when a mine blasts, you know what happens? It makes a huge hole. So there's huge, vast, a mine of information. The works of Jesuit missionaries and travelers like Barbosa, Ralph Fitch, Thomas Rowe, Tavernier, Bernier, and Manussi have described the conditions of the people, the state of trade and commerce and magnificence of the courts. In their information we have got this. But what information we have got this, we are going to read later. We are just seeing what are the things, where, when and how we get the information, isn't it? So this chapter is dealing only with when, where and how. They are telling us what is the systems and what are the chances of getting these things. So we are going to start regional literature now. How we get information from there, I'll come back in the next video. Okay, bye bye, till then, see you.